In recent years, the second-hand construction machinery market has experienced explosive growth. According to industry statistics, China's export volume of used excavator has exceeded 50,000 units. Today, we are going to analyze the reasons for its popularity from multiple dimensions. Used excavators are cheaper than new models, which means you can buy equipment of equivalent performance for less money. Second-hand excavators have been in use for a while, so it's easier for you to find reliable information about the equipment's performance. You can learn about how the equipment performs from existing users, which helps avoid purchasing faulty equipment. Compare with purchasing new equipment. Buying second-hand excavators usually don't require waiting for the production time. Once purchased, you can put them into use immediately, thus saving time. The second-hand excavator market offers a wide range of equipment options, including equipment with different production year, scales, brands, and models. This enables you to choose the right equipment according to your specific needs with a low budget. However, before buying second-hand construction machinery, there are many things you need to be paid attention to, such as the working condition, the maintenance history, and legality, and so on. In the entire purchase process, a reputable and trustworthy supplier plays a decisive role. Welcome to Choose Haode Machinery.